All guys and citizens in launching iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. Links. Things like that is that I like to the text that I duplicate. Things like containing I don't know what goes up there, great. But see, thanks. And Skype, Skype. So get the close range. Okay, Skype see. But this is a great points because like things that right. Okay, so let's go and get into this thing. I think the links into the gut. Okay, there you go. Look again. Think. Look, is okay. The things are great. Okay. And okay. Thanks. Alright, great. Let's do a lot of links. Can't okay, so links. Okay, so right. I think get the cat off the top right. So it's right. Characters. The tanks. Right. The taggers are right. The taggers. The things. The extract. Yeah, that's 3 drinks. Great. Except that thanks. Such a cup. Thanks. Okay. Great. Okay. Toolkit. I got the next. To that tank and try to focus on that. That's right. Dang it. If I can, right. Oh, that. Okay, great. Easy. Okay, so thanks. Okay. So I can get the top. I can get guys. Okay, at the back. So, okay. Certificate. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. But then it's tank. Next. The tank. The tanks are going. It's cool and things like that. Extend ranks. I forgot. Right. I think that's square rank. That tanks. I really like the tank rank. Alright. I can really like the ranks. Oh, yeah. So the top. This is like the ranks. Yeah. Bye guys, I think the same ranks, right? I think the 30 ranks scheduling. Get the red tank. And so I recommend the tanks, right? Okay, it's a tank, I like the tank, and the tank takes a tank. And yeah, the tanks. Yeah, the tank, right? I think it's a it does have the tank, right? And I tried to fix a couple of banks, and then that's right, having something trade, but guys, it's 7 next time.